My name is Kyle Sands and I have this channel on YouTube, but also I have my main channel on YouTube at the time now called Kyle Does Nursing. I'm a nursing student, I'm in my second year, and amongst my love for, and my compassion for nursing and stuff like that, I do have a side to me where I have an interest in trading and the finances and building my wealth, and that's kind of something I haven't really shown before here on YouTube, but many people don't know that about me at all. So I wanted to take the leap, and obviously it's completely different to nursing. So if you are interested in my channel as documenting my journey as a nurse or student nurse, then go over and check that out. But I want this to be completely different to what I do over on that channel, and it's kind of going to be following my journey here on the stock market. Now, my journey started probably just before Christmas last year. I took the plunge. I've always wanted to do it, and I did some research, read a couple of books, watched a lot of YouTube videos, and then I just took the plunge. I took the leap and I invested in 5 or 6 companies that I really believed in. Since then, I've sort of changed my strategy. I went through the sort of invested in the meme stocks sort of phase in the investment journey, and then I really wanted to clamp down on companies that I really believed in. And then since then I've moved away into my dividend portfolio. I'm only sort of just starting this up, so you guys will be, it's kind of quite realistic as well, because I'm just starting this portfolio up. I have a small amount of cash at the moment in that portfolio. I only have £150, but I'm looking to build this up now for the next 20 to 25 years, here on YouTube, documenting it every maybe week or month, and just showing you sort of the stocks I add, my portfolio, and just being as realistic as possible, showing the good and the bad days here, as you all know, as a roller coaster as a stock market trader. So like I said, I started off with the memes, sort of what everyone does on the Facebook pages, and trying to find that next sort of stock that's going to go to the moon, as everyone says. And then I kind of moved to growth stocks and flip trades. So I would find companies that I feel as though you could sort of swing trade, looking at the financials and reading the graphs, which I learned from sort of the books and stuff, which I'll leave in the description below, which I recommend. And then from that, I then sort of said, okay, I've kind of got the logistics, I can kind of read a graph, I can read that, and I can maybe take that a little bit further. So I did that and sort of did some swing trades. So if a stock went, I sort of know when to add to my positions and buy a company when it's right for me. I'll buy that. If it went up 10 to 15%, I will take my profit, take it out, and find the next one. So I still do that, and that's kind of what I'm going to be doing, and showing you guys over the duration of my time here as a trader. For any of the stretch of the imagination, I'm not the most experienced. However, that's kind of not what I want to be about. All I want to be doing is being as realistic. I'm from the UK, I'm a student nurse, I'm very much got my own life separate to this. However, I do have a strong interest, and I'm willing to learn and document and be realistic with you guys as well. So it'd be a nice environment for all of us to learn, and if you guys can add any value to any for me, hopefully I can do that to you as well, so we can learn together. But mainly what I wanted this channel to be about is, like I said, learning and being transparent with each other, but also a way just to document my growth and sort of talk to people who have the same sort of passion as me as well, because it's kind of like a niche area of the stock market. Not many people really talk about it unless you have all the groups and things on Facebook, but mainly those are all about trying to find the next thing to the moon, and it's not really that's not my interest. Like I said, I want 2 things from this channel, and that's really for you guys just to see what I'm adding to my portfolio, and also to speak to some like-minded people like you guys as well. So if you are interested in this content, that's kind of what you can expect. Monthly, if not weekly, portfolio updates, maybe some stock reviews, sort of talking about what I'm interested in, and also if I'm paid any dividends, and also trying to show the snowball effect as well, which is something, a video I'll be going over in a couple of weeks' time. If you are interested in this sort of content, make sure you do like and subscribe down below. Although it's, this is the very first video, you can expect weekly uploads from me from now on, all about my portfolio, and hopefully meet some amazing people along the way. It was really nice to meet you. Everyone on YouTube is kind of from a different area and background, and I felt as though I bring something different to that sort of area here on YouTube. I do have some experience here on YouTube as well. My other channel has got 3,000 subscribers. So it will be amazing one day to sort of surpass that, but mainly to bring, you know, a close-knitted family together here on this channel, where we can all grow together and become where we want to be in life, which is me, just for me anyway, some high expectations. And I do have high expectations of this channel, as I do with my portfolio here in the stock market. It'll be amazing to sort of meet people along the way, like I do say, and yes, I'm really excited. I'll catch you guys on my first video next week with my stock update. Bye bye.